Welcome to Blue Star Garage, your trusted destination for top-notch car care and maintenance. At Blue Star Garage, we understand the value of your vehicle. With over 15 years of experience in the automotive industry, we take pride in providing the highest quality service for all makes and models. Our team of highly skilled and technicians is dedicated to keeping your vehicle running smoothly. We have painting and AM, denting department, computer chassis measurement CCM, mechanical department maintenance, department electrical department. Your car will receive the care it deserves. Include clips of satisfied customers sharing their positive experiences. Hear what our satisfied customers have to say about their experiences with Blue Star Garage. Our location, 7136 C Street, Ras Al Khor Industrial Area 261,853 Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Give us a call at WhatsApp, call 052-402-7887. You can also reach us on WhatsApp at the same number. Trust us with your vehicle and experience the Blue Star difference.